Welcome to Keys to Quality Classroom Assessment. This brief PowerPoint presentation, based on work by Rick Stiggins, is designed to help establish a framework for how we'll think about assessment throughout this course. We'll look at 5 simple keys in total. The first 3 keys all relate to the importance of accuracy in assessment. Keys 4 and 5 relate to effective use of assessment results. Let's look at the first key. The assessment is designed to serve the needs of the intended user. In other words, it's critical that we're clear who will use the assessment results and how the results will be used by the teacher and students. Achievement targets, objectives, are clear and appropriate. In other words, the specific learning outcomes need to be clearly stated and in terms the students can understand. There should also be a clear alignment between the specific learning outcomes, what we'll later call SLOs, and what's on the assessment. Additionally, there should be a clear match between the SLOs and the state, district, or school standards. Key 3, sound assessment design is used. Later in this course, we'll be analyzing a variety of assessment tools, and part of what we'll see is that each assessment type serves some purposes well and other purposes not so well. Key number 3 speaks to the need of selecting appropriate assessment methods, writing assessment items well and free of bias, and thinking how students can participate in the assessment process beyond just completing the assessment. In terms of key number 4, it's critical that results are communicated in a timely manner, that the user of the results understands them and sees the connection to learning, and that the results provide clear direction for the next action steps by teachers and learners. Number 5 speaks to the importance of students being able to use assessment results. Stiggins and others contend that students need to be able to reflect on their learning through self-assessment and goal setting, and to track their own progress in accomplishing specific learning outcomes. In the next PowerPoint presentation, A Learner's Response to Assessment Results, you'll be taken more in depth into how assessment results can be used.